Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So here the latest price movements. We continue to be stuck in this sort of range, in this mess really. Did break out here out of this ascending wedge to the downside. That was more of a fake out really. So we've recovered from that quite quickly actually. And that latest drop here, as I explained in the previous video today, made us reset the wave B, which we previously had, I think, here. So this led to a reset of this one. And this is still a viable count now that we had here a wave A to the upside, a wave B to the downside, that we are now in the wave C. The wave C is a 5-wave move. And yeah, I mean, what we talked about earlier today, that the wave 1 could have peaked here, now coming down in a wave 2 might really be working out. Next wave up would be a wave 3. Yeah, and that should take us already here into that target area actually, above 1770. Now we need to be careful because there's normally some kind of a proportionality arrangement between waves A and wave C. So here the wave A, we take the length and we add it to the beginning of the wave C. Then we have a first target actually at 1675. So I mentioned in the previous video, be aware of this target. I think overall in this scenario it should be broken, but just be aware of it, that this is a key resistance. It's actually anyway a key resistance zone we are currently operating in here. Previous high here exactly at that 1675 level, 50-day moving average at 1660, and here the previous swing high also at 1660. So that is a key area. If we break above that, I think then we are going to see the price go up to 1786, which is the wave 3 high. Okay, target for that. But yeah, this is a key area. We see currently unfolding here a possible bull flag. Yeah, from normally in the Elliott Wave method there are no bull flags, but I think we can count this as a 5-wave move up. Here currently a 3-wave correction in a wave 2 would absolutely be possible. No guarantee the wave 2 is in yet. If it was a wave 2, it was a very shallow wave 2. So let's again take a look at that. Only retraced to, well, the 38.2% fib level exactly actually at 1595. Not sure if I mentioned the target in the previous video. I could have, I can't remember, but this is one target for a wave 2, even though it's a very shallow one. You could see it as a bull flag that moved down as corrective. Break out above the previous high would be an indication that we are going higher, but bear in mind that range I just showed you here. Draw a trend line. You can see that we are in some kind of a flag at the moment. So again, when that is broken, that channel, good indication that we are going higher, but it would only be the first one because you've got the previous highs here and the resistance zone. Okay, if we pop or drop out of this to the downside and then lose here the wave B low, obviously, then we have to assume we are going down straight away. Mentioned it as well. Oops, my mouse just has a problem here. There you go. Then we have to assume we go down straight away into this area, which is eventually the target. Yeah. So this is the eventual overall target for the wave 2, where we would get into the region between 1130 and 1330. Yeah, it could go lower, but if it goes lower, it needs to hold above $1,000 to maintain the overall bullish view of this chart, yeah, long term. Now, I had a few comments about there isn't a lot of certainty around this, and that's exactly what I said. You know, I can't tell you for sure in which scenario we currently are. It could be this one, the ABC, and I just showed you the key areas to watch out for. It could also be this other count that I showed you in the previous video, the WXY. So let me just open that. The Ethereum WXY pattern, which is absolutely possible as well. But in this scenario, we would not expect another move up. Yeah, and we should stay below 1685, 1687. So the previous swing high, we should stay below that and then would move down now impulsively in a 5-wave move. So these are the areas that need to work out. I mentioned to you this corrective wave pattern at the moment is very unpredictable. And if one prediction was right, it is this one. Yeah, because I can guarantee you a lot of people were caught out. It is very volatile. Of course, money can be made here, but I know a lot of people are getting caught out. And also we had to change the wave count here in this pattern a few times because it is a messy one. And however messy it would be, the overall target isn't really affected. The trend at the moment is down, short term, yeah, but long term it is up. That's why we have overall here the view that this was a wave 1 to the upside, an impulse. That's a corrective wave down. Of course, how we get there in the end, this can change, yeah. And after that, I would expect a wave 3 to the upside, taking us to new highs. Good, and that's my update about Ethereum. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.